This is John, and we know that everybody loves to have strawberries. And wouldn't you like the plants to look like this, and that they might be more like this? There could be some reasons behind it. Let's look into a few and maybe analyze one a little bit more. First off, after you plant them, you gotta really take those blossoms off for about the first month or two anyways. Let the plants grow up a little bit before you force motherhood on them. And you gotta plant them in really super good soil. You can do just a quick, easy installation like I am doing here, or do the cone method. I say just stick them in really good soil and they're gonna be fine, but it's gotta be really good soil. And I used a mulch on mine, a sawdust mulch, and you know what? It looked fine, but the cats liked it for a litter box. I had to put these canes in it to keep them out, and it was a pain to do any maintenance. So I decided to get some hay, but my truck's down right now. I didn't want to go and haul a bale of hay or straw in the back of the SUV, so I went and bought this here bagged stuff, which I've never thought of ever buy straw or hay in a plastic bag. It's all chopped up, and it's got this zeolite, which is like a natural mineral supposed to make things smell better. I think it's what you rub under your arms with that one of the deodorant rocks. And man, I tell you, if you like the smell of fresh straw, you're gonna like this stuff. So first thing I had to do was clean out all the kitty litter from there first with this specially modified little lawn rake there. And you just take a look at this stuff. I mean, it's chopped real nice. It looks like a mix of a little bit of alfalfa and some real nice fine type of straw. I mean, this isn't like your $7 bale of straw, although I don't know what a bale would cost nowadays for straw. Everything's gone up so much. So here I am spreading it on. It's actually the best mulch for strawberries. I mean, shouldn't they be grown in straw anyways? So this stuff has got a lot of benefits. It's gonna like reduce soil compaction. It keeps the soil softer, more friable. It'll rot into the soil. It'll add nutrients and minerals. It shades the soil from temperature extremes. It reduces water and moisture loss through the soil. I mean, yeah, and it keeps berries clean. And you know what? This is really something I'd recommend. You might want to just go ahead and get the big bales and break them up, but they come in the flakes and you got to do a little work with it. This is really nice and sweet. Well, folks, thank you much for watching. Come back again. See you around now. Bye.